YouTube video. Oh my gosh, I can't believe this. So welcome everyone to Love for My Curls. I'm Denise and this is my first YouTube video dedicated to my curly hair journey. Maybe I might incorporate some other topics along the way, but for now I just wanted to talk about my journey from heat, traumatized hair, I would say, you know, unhappy hair in my opinion, to now healthier hair where in my opinion I'm happy with my hair. So I just wanted to share the journey with everyone. And I came up with the name Love for My Curls because what is my channel all about? It's about my curly hair, it's about my hair, and it's yeah, I love my hair, so I thought, oh, I'd mix in some words in there, so that's where I came up with Love for My Curls. My journey began, I would say, back in 2011 when I graduated in Human Resources Management, my master's degree in fact, and I remember that day I wanted something different for my hair. I would normally have my hair straight up until this point, you know, always heat styling it straight, but I wanted to just do something different, and I wanted to have my curls. So I styled my curls, and to be honest, it didn't look like curls. It looked so damaged, it looked stringy, it reminded me of ramen noodles, it was crispy, it was dry, and to be honest, I didn't know how to take care of it. I didn't know how to bring the most out of my curls. So at that time I thought to myself, actually it looks okay, but then I was thinking, but am I happy? Am I happy with my curls? And to be honest, I wasn't. So I think from then on I decided to do something different, and for me it's all about knowledge is power. And I started watching more YouTube videos about curly hair, how to look after it, what techniques I could follow, what products I could use. So again, that will probably be in a later video because I am a bit of a product junkie. I must admit, I've got a box full of hair products that I do need to sort out. So maybe I'll do a video around that, about sorting out my hair products and what I'll keep or what I'll chuck away. But for now, yeah, I'm a bit of a product junkie and I love my hair products. I really, really do. And yeah, so I started watching more videos and learning so much tips and tricks. And again, I will be discussing this in future videos, but for now I kind of just wanted to talk about my wash day, really. Actually, I might as well talk about some products in today's video. So first of all, I've got the African Pride Moisture Miracle Aloe and Coconut Water Detangle and Condition Pre-Shampoo, so which looks like this. And basically, it's a product that you use before you wash your hair, and it helps to really detangle, because I don't know about you, but I get very knots. Oh my gosh, my hair gets very knotted during the week, and it is a mess. It's an absolute mess. And yeah, I could obviously go in with the shampoo and use a really detangling conditioner, but I find that actually doing something before shampooing actually makes detangling so much easier and makes the wash day process so much quicker. So I've been using this, and to be honest, yeah, there is a lot of obviously great videos on this, and like, I love it. I'm basically finished the whole tub and I love it. I love the smell. It's a good price point as well. I'm obviously based in the UK and it's readily available in the UK as well. I get mine from Amazon, but love it, and it just makes detangling really, really easy. And then this is a new product I've recently used. So it's the Aunt Jackie's Power Wash, which looks like that. And it's the Intense Moisture Clarifying Shampoo. And I kind of like to go in with a clarifying shampoo, something gentle. I would normally use the Curlsmith Detox Shampoo, but I haven't got that to hand at the moment. But I like using this shampoo. It's very, very cleansing. It's very cleansing. I don't feel the moisture aspect, unfortunately. I feel my hair quite stripped, but not in a horrible way. Just like if my hair's oily, it's been weighed down, that is, this shampoo is really the business. It really is the business. It gets rid of all those kind of oily residue, the product buildup. So it's really, really good. It's a good starting point. So I actually like it, and I like the smell as well. And the price point is good and readily available again in the UK. This is something that I've been using recently. So it's the K18 Leave-In Molecule. Again, so sorry about the pronunciation. Repair Hair Mask. So it looks like this, and basically it's a product. I wouldn't say it's exactly like Olaplex, but it's meant to go really, really deep into your hair, and it's really meant to penetrate your hair and repair the damage from the inside out. So you leave it in for about 4 minutes after you've shampooed your hair, and you can't use, I mean, after you shampooed your hair, you shouldn't be using any conditioner. You just go in with that, leave it in for 4 minutes, and then you can do whatever to your hair afterwards. I definitely have seen a difference. I would say I think my curls are a little bit more springy. They come to life a little bit more using this product, but it is quite expensive. So this little bad boy here, 15 milliliters, cost me about £15. And for me that's quite expensive, and I've only used it twice. Again, I'm quite heavy-handed with my products, so I probably used more than I needed to, but yeah, I don't know if it's something I'll be repurchasing again, because it is quite expensive. But yeah, I think it's something that you'll have to use consistently in order to see results, but I'll see what I do with that one. Because my hair's been very dry recently because of my colour, I've been using the Mielle Organics Mongogo, I'm so sorry about the pronunciation guys, oil hydrating conditioner, which looks like this, and again really readily available in the UK. And oh my gosh guys, this is protein free, so anyone that's protein sensitive would love this, and it smells amazing. It just feels like you're just walking in a bouquet, like a garden of just lovely flowers. It just smells so nice. It's really delicious actually, and it's very moisturizing. I mean, this packs a punch when it comes to the moisturization levels. And I use it with my handheld steamer, so I've got a handheld steamer that I bought from eBay. It's really good, and yeah, it works really well. My hair feels really conditioned, moisturized. It feels bouncy. It feels like it's had a lot of love. So yeah, I really like this product. Definitely would recommend it. Next, I went in with, so I don't know about you, so I've been seeing quite a few videos about oil rinses. So basically, after you've conditioned your hair, you then apply oil to your hair, and then you rinse it out, or you just get rid of the excess oil. So I thought I'd use this. So I'm just using the jojoba oil. It's just a brand that I found again in the UK. It's Kanzi Hair and Beauty. It's organic, 100% organic, cold pressed jojoba oil, and jojoba. I never know how to pronounce it, guys. Is it jojoba or jojoba? Please comment down below which it is, because I have no idea. I'm assuming it's jojoba. But so yeah, so I used it on fairly damp to wet hair, and I must admit my hair felt good. It felt nice. It felt very moisturized. It felt like it had, again, some love. It just felt quenched. It just felt nice. It really did. So I definitely will be doing this again, and it wasn't too heavy. I think you can also use olive oil and avocado oil, but my hair does not like olive oil. Whenever I use anything with olive oil in it or near the top of the ingredient list, my hair feels very weighed down and heavy, so I don't think it suits my curls. But I feel like jojoba oil is really nice, so I've been using that, so I definitely will keep using that in my wash day routine. TGIN is what I went in with next, so that's the Miracle Repair Protective Leave-In Conditioner. So it looks like this, and it's got black castor oil, biotin, it's got honey in it, and this, guy, oh my god, the smell. First of all, the smell. I love a good smelling hair product. Oh, it smells like, just smells like deliciousness. That's all. It just smells so delicious, really delicious. Very moisturizing. I use it on my daughter's hair as well, actually. She's 6, so I use it on her hair. I even use it on refresh days for her, sometimes for myself as well, but it's very rich and very moisturizing, so definitely a good one for very dry hair. I do like the Curlsmith brand. I know there's loads of videos about Curlsmith, so I've been using the Bouncy Strength Volume Foam, which I went in with next. This is something fairly new for me. I haven't used this before, actually, and the reason why I wanted to use it is because I wanted a bit of bounce and volume to my hair. I love volume. I love shaking up my hair and it just having a bit of volume. Even on first day hair, I love it. And this did give me volume, a little bit of hold as well. It smells really nice. It smells very fruity. I really like it, to be honest with you. The price point is not the cheapest, however, it definitely will last me long. I used a few pumps, and a few pumps went a long way, so I think it's really nice, and the ingredients is amazing as well. It's got really nice ingredients. It's got, what's it got here? It's got shiitake mushroom extract. It's got panthenol, it's got black currant in it, and I think that's where the fruitiness actually comes from. So it's really, really nice, really nice. And it definitely gave me some volume and a little bit of hold, so that was lovely. Then I went in with Curlsmith again, the Fragrance Free Shine Gel. And for me, so sorry guys, I need to get my nails done, so please don't mind the nails in the video. I do need to get my nails done. I actually do my own nails, I do my own gel nails at home, maybe another video for another time. But I've been using this gel, and this gel is really, really nice actually. It doesn't smell of anything, obviously, hence fragrance free, so it's really good for the sensitive heads out there. It gave definitely my hair some hold, better to use for me anyway on soaking wet hair. And yeah, this is lasting definition, frizz control, and I definitely would agree with that. I have had lasting definition, and the frizz, yeah, there was no frizz, so really, really nice. But I wanted to try this size, so this is the 2 fluid ounces, because I like trying the trial size of the smaller sizes just to make sure that I like the product before I go in with the larger size. And I like it, so I think I definitely will get the larger size once this runs out. So this one was a good one as well. And then to seal it all in, and as a daily kind of sealant as well, I've been using the Curlsmith again Fragrance Free Shine Oil, which looks like this. And this is really, really nice. I love the bottle, I must admit. The bottle just reminds me of, it's just got like perfume vibes. I don't know about you. It's got like kind of perfume vibes, really, really nice. I love the colour of the oil. The consistency is very smooth. It feels very lightweight, so it's not like heavy. And I've been using a little bit every day. I even use it on my daughter's hair as well. And to be honest, yeah, I've not had any sensitivities. It feels nice. My hair feels moisturised. And yeah, I love it. I love it. And then just some tools as well. So I love this brush. It's the Curl Keeper brush. Really, really like this brush. It's very durable, very soft. Oh, feels very, very lovely. Like really good as even like a scalp massage. Very, very nice. Very soft to touch, and it really does do the job when it comes to detangling your hair. Works on my daughter's hair as well, which is thicker and gets more tangled. So I love this brush, and oh my gosh, the OG I will say is the wet brush. I've heard so many good things about the wet brush. It's really, really nice. I mean, it really detangles your hair. Your hair could be as knotty can be, and it really gets to work. Again, it probably works best on a really good conditioner. So make sure you really, you know, soak that conditioner into your hair, but it really works well. Again, I use it on my daughter's hair, and she's got a bit of a sensitive head, so she doesn't seem to cry or get angry or frustrated when I use this brush. It's really, really nice. I love both brushes, to be honest with you, so those are my favourite tools. And then when I separate my hair, kind of just use these clips as well. Really, really lovely. Again, got it on Amazon. Most of these products I've actually bought on Amazon. I love Amazon. I'm a bit of an Amazon queen. I love Amazon, so quick and easy. So yeah, these are my products really, and I've got obviously a lot more products to talk about, but again, that'll be in a future video. So yeah, so what is my plan going forward? So my plan is just to do more videos about my hair. I'm going to mix it up a little bit. Maybe I'll do a video on like how I refresh my curls during the week, how I maintain my coloured hair, you know, to kind of keep it healthy, how I do my steam treatments. Yeah, a bit of everything really. And who knows, I might incorporate other things into these videos as well, not only hair. I might talk about other topics as well as the channel, you know, progresses. So that's it from me, guys. So I'm out. You know, Love from My Curls is out the building now. So please subscribe to my channel. Like this video. Please comment below if you've got any questions, any suggestions for any future videos. Do let me know. And yeah, we'll talk soon. Okay, all the best. Take care. Bye.